Hey guys, Phantom Z 18 here with another video. Today I got another toy review of the Ultra Hero series, Ultraman Z Alpha Edge. Now before we take a look at this figure, let's take a look at the tag he came with. Now here is a tag he came with. There's a nice image there of Ultraman Z and his Alpha Edge mode. Looks really nice overall. 75. Ultraman Z Alpha Edge in Japanese, that's what I'm assuming it says. QR code and I don't know, numbers, nothing in the middle, and Japanese in the back that I cannot read, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's get on with the review and let's take a look at this figure really up close. Hopefully the camera zooms in really nicely. There you go. Wait, hold on. There you go. That should be good enough. Now, hold on. There you go. That should be good enough. Overall, he has some really nice detailing. I heard Alpha Edge was the first Ultraman Z form to be designed way before his basic form. So that's like a shock to me. One of his fusion forms was the first one to be created first or designed first compared to his like base form. I heard it. I'm not sure if it's true or not. It's nice silver detailing overall. Now I gotta say, this Alpha Edge figure is probably one of the best ones in terms of paint, which is not saying pretty much. I mean, look, they even got some little silver details here and even on the legs. I mean, I know I said this is the best painted figure so far of Ultraman Z, which is not saying much. It's because, you know, it has the typical no paint in the back, but still has some nice lovely details though. The sculpting is really nice. So yeah, I mean, the reason why I say Z is the best figure painted is because look at all the silver detailing they did. I mean, I've never seen this much paint on an Ultraman figure. Just look how shiny that is. So yeah, articulation wise, hold on. I can do a full 360 at the arms. Same goes with the other arms. And a full 360 waist rotation, which is kind of useless to be honest. So yeah, detail paint-wise is really good. Now, time for some size comparisons. Let me just leave them there while I get the other figures. Here he is next to the base form of Ultraman Z. Here he is next to Ultraman G Galaxy Rising. Here he is next to the Ultraman Zero figure. He's kind of dusty. Here he is next to my Sevenger figure. Here he is next to my Ultraman figure, Sparkle. And just because I'm going to compare him with Ultra Monster 500 series or Ultra Monster series figure with a tail compared to a standing monster, Genku and Bamilar. I will do a review on these two next. And for other size comparisons, here he is next to Lightning Collection Shadow Ranger that I did a review on somewhere on my channel. So yeah, guys, that was my review of the Ultra Hero series, Ultraman Z Alpha Edge. Now, what I got to say about this figure overall? Overall, this figure is really nice, nicely sculpted and painted, and I highly recommend it. You should really get it for your Ultraman Z collection, and it's really well painted as well. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. All that will be linked down below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.